Some say, why worry if you have nothing to hide? It's not a matter of hiding. It's about protecting one's privacy. Surveillance is a violation to one's right to privacy. Everything you do, where you go, who you talk to is accessible to the government. To what extent is invasion of privacy ethical or appropriate?
So we're looking at law enforcement, and we argue that illegally accessing people's communications, such as emails, texts, and phone records, without consent or a warrant is not only unlawful, but it is unethical.
So employers. While it's important for employers to get to know their employees, where is the ethical line drawn for their access to your privacy? We argue that it's not okay for employers to access your social media such as Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and use that information as a reason to hire or fire you.
Third-party websites. It's unethical for companies to sell your information to third parties without your consent. This happens often, and it's a form of surveillance which completely violates people's rights.
I hope you enjoyed our short presentation, and thank you very much.